Maroon Chief Richard Currie is making protection of the cockpit country a central pillar of his new term in office. Currie has called for the Maroons to unite for the vision, or they stand to lose it all to outside interest. More in this report.
Protect the land. Protect the people. Power to the people. Ashe. Ashe.
Richard Currie in a social media post days after being ratified as Maroon Chief. In the 10-minute video, Currie outlines his vision for the community, placing strong emphasis on Maroon lands, culture and heritage. Much of his address was spent highlighting the economic potential through culture and tourism. But it was this warning against sacrificing the land for what he described as short-term gains which has sent tongues wagging.
The truth we must face right now, that there are people who see cockpit country as something to take from. Mining, extraction, all manners of degradation for short-term gain. But I'm standing here to say, we will not trade long-term power for short-term profit. Because what we have here is not just valuable, it is rare. The global opportunity is here.
The comments come at a time of renewed debate surrounding environmental protection and land use across the island. Just recently, the Supreme Court struck down as unconstitutional the 2020 environmental permit granted to Bengal Development Limited. Residents contended that the development threatened their constitutional right to a healthy environment. Though Currie did not address the issue directly, the message repeatedly pointed to the need for vigilance in the Maroon territory.
By keeping this land in the perfect state of freedom in which it is, we must understand that everything I speak of here today is bigger than an election. This is a lifetime decision, a decision about what we do with what we have, because we are sitting on something the world does not have. Endemic life, fresh water, history, culture, identity. The question is not whether we will have value. The question is, will we protect it and turn it into power? I say we do both. Together, as one people, as one. A compound.
The Maroon Chief's speech comes amid a court injunction ordering that nomination and election day exercises be put on hold. The legal action was taken by prospective candidates who'd raised concern about the election process.